In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transform your Canva project with the perfect background design. This is a quick and easy way to make your project stand out and give it a personalized touch. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open your Canva project. If you have a specific project in mind, go ahead and access it. Once your project is open, we'll focus on the area where you can breathe new life into your design, starting with selecting and applying a background color. Simply click on the blank page you're working with, and you'll notice the color options appear prominently on the left-hand side of your screen. This handy feature provides you with a palette of colors to choose from. Feel free to explore this palette until you find a color that perfectly suits the mood and theme of your project. Whether you're aiming for something vibrant or prefer a more subdued tone, this step is crucial in setting the right foundation for your design. Once you're satisfied with your background color, the next step involves adding some shapes to your layout for that extra bit of originality and flair. Navigate over to the Elements tab on the left, and in the search bar, type in Shapes. This will present you with a variety of options. For this particular demonstration, let's go with a rectangle shape. Once you've selected it, you can adjust the size and position of the rectangle on your page by clicking and dragging the edges. This process allows you to create a split color effect by playing around with the placement and the hue of the rectangle in contrast to your chosen background color. Changing the rectangle's color to complement or contrast with the background is where the real fun begins. By selecting the shape, you can again access the color options to create the perfect dual-tone theme. Experiment with different color combinations to see which one resonates with you the most or aligns with the nature of your project. With these simple adjustments, your project should now have a more inviting and visually appealing background. It's a quick transformation but offers significant improvements in how your design is perceived. This technique is excellent for drawing focus, adding depth, and providing interest. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you can completely change the look and feel of your Canva project, making it more dynamic and engaging. These subtle yet powerful changes can help your presentations and designs leave a lasting impression. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial both helpful and easy to follow. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative tips and tricks, and I look forward to seeing how you use this technique in your own projects.